Welcome to the room tour of 12207 and 12209 on the MSC Seacape. These rooms are approximately 172 square feet, with around 54 square feet on the balcony. I'm starting with 12207, which fits 4 people. As we come in, you will see this room has plenty of shelf space, as well as some dressers down below just off camera. Open up the other side, and you have plenty of closet space. Hang up clothes and shoes down at the bottom. This is the configuration of both beds together, and you have a beautiful mirror right here. We have a bunk bed for the kids. It's not made up. They're a little late cleaning our room, but you want to check it out anyways. Walk outside, you have a beautiful balcony. We're still on port, so the water is not the pretty blue color as of yet. Galveston's water is just in. As you can see, it's a nice little balcony area. Heading back in to not let all the cold air out. You will have some shelf space. Plenty of the room on the vanity area. Down below, you have yourself a little cooler. You have a few chairs and, again, plenty of space. Then you had a few shelves on the side. Nothing to keep in mind in these rooms is you need a key card right there for the lights to work. If it's not in there, your lights won't work. Bathrooms are kind of small, but that's normal for cruises. You don't need to take a shower here. That's already needed for. You want the room. 12209. This is exactly the same, except for the fact this one fits only 2 people. Instead of bunk bed, you have a couch, and you have a tub in this room. So it's a pretty decent sized tub. So if you like tubs, this is the one to get. See y'all next time with more.